It's a good day. Was able to walk again. Second day na ng walking. I was able to visit yung mga kaibigan kong seminarista. Hi, Mark. And I was able to talk to him and some of the people sa church. Na-miss ko lahat sila. Medyo kilala na ako dito sa community church dito. Doon kasi ako nagsishoot nung una kong channel, yung Barry and Song. So, it's nice, It's nice to go outside talaga. Nakakatanggal ng stress. Dumadami ang iyong mga kaibigan pati, di ba? So, back to reading. I'm reading this one naman. Pampaantok. I'm into real estate. Still trying to sell properties, bago project, naghahanap. And yung mga lumang listing, I'm still trying to push na maibenta, di ba? And may mga failed opportunities. I'm trying to find a job sana, kaso hindi pa pinapalad, di ba? Kaya okay lang. So, move on to another application. Hanap pa rin ng trabaho. One of the problem ng mga Pilipino pag dumating na sa ganitong edad namin is our age, di ba? And sometimes it's hard to find a job. Hindi pala sometimes, most of the time. Medyo mahirap. So, you need to be creative. You need to, resourceful sa paghahanap ng work and practical. Kung ano talaga yung pwede na lang kasi kung minsan wala ka ng choice, di ba? So, basta keep on going, walang susuko, di ba? Bawal ang sumuko, kaya hanap lang ng hanap. And siguro find another skills and sana may means to do it. Sometimes it's really hard for most of us na maghanap ng means para sa paghahanap ng job opportunities. But ang importante, nandun yung will, nandun yung determination. At higit sa lahat, pag may trabaho na, lagi ko sinasabi, nandun ang fashion. Huwag mawawala yung fashion. Kasi sa trabaho, gumagaang yan, nagiging simple yan, nagiging hindi mahirap yan pag mahal mo ang trabaho mo, pag nasa puso mo ang trabaho mo. Kaya ako, push lang, hanap lang, and syempre, sasamahan natin ang dasal. Okay? Good night, guys!